It's no secret that Redmi has started working on the next generation of high-end K series phones, namely the Redmi K60 lineup. Leaks and certifications so far have shown that the series will include three models: Redmi K60, Redmi K60 Pro, and Redmi K60e. Leaked images of Redmi K60 retail box were posted online by popular tipster digital chart station DCS. This suggests that the company has started stocking units and mass production has begun, meaning it's ready to launch soon. The box appears to the quite similar to the Redmi K50 series. The Redmi K60 was originally expected to launch by the end of year, but since Xiaomi had to delay its 13 series, the K60 family was also delayed to January 2023. Xiaomi uncovered internal MIUI build of the Redmi K60 series. These reveal that the Redmi K60 and K60 Pro will launch with MIUI 14 while the K60e will stick with MIUI 13. MIUI 14 itself will debut alongside the Xiaomi 13 series this month. According to leaks, Redmi K60e will equipped with a Snapdragon 870 or a Dimensity of 8200 chip. The K60 and K60 Pro are expected to come with Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 and Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 chips respectively. The vanilla K60 is said features a 6.67 inches 120Hz AMOLED screen and a 5500 mAh battery with support for 67 watt wired charging. Its main camera should be a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor with OIS for stable photos and videos. The K60 Pro, on the other hand, should be equipped with the same 120Hz AMOLED panel but with higher resolution 2K. It's also said to have a 50 megapixel main camera, but this one will be based on Sony's IMX766. There are no more details available on the Redmi K60 family as of yet.